How to fix scrolling lag on iPhone. If your iPhone is stuttering, experiencing micro lags, or doesn't feel smooth while scrolling, follow these simple steps to improve performance. Open the Settings app. Tap Battery. Select Power Mode. Turn adaptive power off if it's enabled. This helps prevent your iPhone from lowering the refresh rate and can improve scrolling performance. Next, go back to Settings. Tap Accessibility. Select Display and Text Size. Turn Reduce Transparency on. You can also turn it off and back on again to refresh the system interface. Now, return to Settings. Tap Display and Brightness. If your iPhone supports liquid glass appearance options, try switching from clear to tinted. Some users have reported smoother scrolling after making this change. Also, open Settings. Go to Accessibility. Tap Motion. Turn Limit Frame Rate on for a few seconds, then turn it off again. This can refresh the ProMotion display and restore the full 120Hz refresh rate on supported models. Next, go to Settings. Tap Accessibility. Select Touch. Tap Haptic Touch. Set it to Fast to make your iPhone feel more responsive. If the issue continues, force restart your iPhone. Press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. After restarting, check for software updates. Open Settings, tap General, select Software Update. Install the latest iOS update if one is available, as Apple regularly releases performance improvements and bug fixes. Also, check your available storage. Go to Settings, tap General, select iPhone Storage. Try to keep at least 5 to 10 gigabytes of free space for the best performance. If you're using a VPN, it may also affect your device. Open Settings, tap General, select VPN and Device Management. Remove any VPN profiles you no longer use, then restart your iPhone. Finally, if your iPhone is brand new or was recently updated, give it 24 to 48 hours. During this time, iOS may still be indexing photos, apps, and other files in the background, which can temporarily affect scrolling performance. That's it. These are the best ways to fix scrolling lag, stuttering, and micro lag.
That's it. These are the best ways to fix scrolling lag, stuttering, and micro lags on your iPhone. Also, if you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe for more iPhone tips, iOS tutorials, and troubleshooting guides.